Did everybody create their slideshow?
I did
Oh,
not
we're
create a
supposed to make
slideshow.
one?
Yes.
I'm
Okay.
making one
Right now,
about
just
that.
pick a topping. Right now, we're gonna do the tier list, and then from there on, with the slideshows, we're gonna present the reasons why you guys picked.
Can I do extra cheese?
Yeah, you can. You
I'm
can.
doing
That would be-
sausage.
So what is the PowerPoint about?
You're supposed to
Just prove your point why it would be good, or if you're doing
Good
one
or
that's
the
against
best?
it. Okay, you can do that.
The best?
Oh, I can't
Yeah.
do that.
Okay.
Hello, this is your co-host, Daddy501st. We'll be ready for some debates in a bit and some tier listing on pizza toppings.
Dude, I literally can't think of anything. I made one slide.
Oh, I got the whole thing planned out.
Oh no, someone fucking put Peppa Pig. I'm scared. So, we are here live. All right, we are
Wait,
gonna rank.
Wait, are you streaming this on Twitch?
Yes.
Yes.
Can we not show mine?
No, we gotta show them.
No, it's too late
Yeah,
now.
just roll with it. Just roll with it.
Too late.
All right, let's go.
I'm so
Alright.
scared of what's gonna happen, but Twitch, do not ban me.
Nah,
It's
we're
fine,
gonna
you
see
don't have to-
Daniel's Twitch channel die tonight.
Okay.
I'm
All right, let's start it
sacrificing
off.
the channel. All right. We are doing a tier list with all of my boys here. Everybody say hi.
Hello.
Hello, hello,
Oh
hello.
no.
Yo, mama.
Okay.
No.
So we're starting off right off the bat with the first topping, anchovies. Where shall we rank that?
I think we all know where this goes,
Never
boys.
heard it. Never.
It
goes in
tried
E.
E.
There's no fucking E, you fucking shit.
Okay, who here has actually have it? No one?
No,
Only
I just,
Victor.
Well, if none of us had it, then like we really can't.
You
Yeah,
really
shit,
said
not at
that
all.
up.
Yeah, anchovy's going F, bro.
for real.
All right, we do F.
S.
All right, bacon boys.
Bro.
S.
Like,
A
Well,
or S.
See, like I don't really have bacon on my shit, but when I do, it has that little flavor, you know. I put it at C for me, to be
I'd
honest.
probably put it like D or something.
I'd put it in B or A.
Yeah, I think B is a
Put a
good
B.
middle, middle
Put a
ground.
B. 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 B.
Fine.
Basil.
All right.
Basil.
Never
Basil's
had
pretty
it.
good.
Never had it. So I
See,
can't say
It's like a
anything.
it's like a B or a C.
I'm like too broke for it.
Bell peppers. I don't think any of us have had bell
Never had it, but I bet it would be disgusting.
Yes.
Probably.
F. Okay.
Chicken.
Right.
Chicken.
Chicken.
All right. Nothing could go wrong with chicken on pizza.
For real.
I
But-
say D tier.
But I don't have much of it, and it's not really enjoyable.
Yeah.
So I say like D.
D. Yeah.
Extra cheese.
S
All right.
Here.
Yes, cheese.
Okay. Okay. Before you put it on,
cheese though. Oh wow.
Wait, doesn't someone have extra cheese?
Me.
He's like, oh.
All right,
You're
whip
right,
out the
you're right.
slideshow. Whip out the slideshow.
Okay.
Why did you whip out Victor's
Oh, yeah,
slideshow?
go like this first.
Oh, it's all the way in the right. All the way in the right. Daniel, other side.
On the other
right.
side, it says slideshow.
right.
It says slideshow. It says
What are you
slideshow.
What are you?
It says slideshow. It says
Who's all
slideshow.
right?
Hold up. Hold
Where
up.
it says
I died.
slideshow.
I died.
Where
I
it says
died.
Where it says
To
slideshow
the
on the
other
right. There you go.
Sorry, I
Holy
died. I
shit.
died. I died. I
Right.
died.
Why anchovies are a good topping for?
Are we back, Daniel?
Yes, I was choking for a bit. I'm sorry.
On my dick.
Okay. Okay. Why are anchovies good?
You can even say it right.
Or
No, no.
I don't know, man. He's got a good point. He's good.
Number two.
He's not wrong. He's not wrong. He's not
Shit.
wrong, dude.
Okay,
He's not
okay.
wrong. He's not wrong though.
What the fuck is that?
Oh my god.
He's got a point.
I mean,
There's no argument there.
he's
There's
right.
no argument there, guys.
All right, guys. I guess it's going S tier.
Yeah, dude. We can't.
S tier for that presentation. S tier for that presentation for anchovies. Give it.
All right.
Give a round of
Okay.
applause, boys. All right. So extra cheese.
All right.
F tier.
Jeez. Hey.
All right. Give us your presentation of why extra cheese. You thought.
Yes.
So S tier or F tier?
Wait,
He's like-
no,
he's
not,
on
not,
his
let's
presentation.
do this
Yeah, what
presentation
about-
first. All right.
Well, that's
Cheese is
extra
good.
cheese. The one that says extra cheese.
Oh, this
Oh
one.
my
No. I'm gonna shit myself. Oh my god. god.
Good drink, my drink.
Started.
Look at it again.
Okay,
Yeah.
slideshow number 1. I mean, slide number 2.
So cheesy.
I mean, he's not wrong there, so guys.
He's not wrong.
Jeez,
Is this a
right,
YouTube
right.
thumbnail?
No.
Joking. Dude, I'm gonna shit myself right now.
Next
Look at it
one.
again.
Next one.
He's not wrong. He's not.
What?
He's not.
Daniel stream.
He's not wrong. Holy shit. Okay.
Keep going.
Okay, wait. No, I need to take a breather.
I don't.
I'm like a monkey.
What do you guys? I just see click to add text.
We're doing a thing. We're ranking pizza toppings, and he's now doing a slideshow on why extra cheese is the best.
What?
It's like the first half of it.
You guys are doing more slideshows than in school.
Okay,
Oh, no.
okay.
Oh no.
Cheese has protein. Okay.
Keep
Oh,
going.
dude, I can't breathe. Stop. Stop. I can't breathe. Holy shit.
Keep going.
I can't breathe. Hold on.
That's
Keep
it,
going.
boys. That's it. That's
That's
it.
it.
Oh.
Well, that
Hold on,
deserves
let
its
me
own tier.
Hold on. Let me take a breather.
Oh shit! Is
I'm
mine
out of-
next?
I'm out of breath, bro. Holy
Garlic is next.
Okay.
Extra cheese
We'll
goes
just
in
have it
S
as
tier.
tier.
It's a
S tier.
bro.
Damn,
All right, round of applause. Round of applause, boys. Round of applause.
I'll
What?
say this right now. I'm sorry. You're streaming.
Hey, Jesus. We'll give you time right now. Pick one of the toppings right here, right now, and make a
Spinach.
slideshow.
Okay.
Why it's good.
Okay.
Pineapple's
Okay,
already
okay,
taken.
bet. Which one's already taken?
Pineapple, ham, and I forgot what it was.
Yeah, I got you
I'm
guys.
gonna do tomatoes.
Okay.
Okay,
Tomato.
okay, sounds good.
That
Alright,
gives
that's the
us
last,
very
that's the
last
last one, so we can roll with this.
garlic.
Garlic
All right,
boys. Anybody
garlic
had
boys.
garlic?
No.
Never in my life.
Yeah.
It should
Was
be
it
on
good?
almost every pizza.
it's on every pizza,
No, I
bro.
thought you meant the slideshow. Okay.
A tier?
Yeah.
Okay.
It gotta be on.
Damn.
Sure, why
You
not?
never had garlic. You never had pizza. The fuck?
Shit, you're right.
Daniel,
Alright, what about
I'm sorry.
ham?
Ham.
Alright, ham.
No, this is debatable. All right. Depends which
Yeah.
pizza place you get it from. If you get it from
Yeah,
Pizza,
that's true.
it's all right. It's good.
Yeah, it's
If
alright,
you get
it's
it from
alright,
fucking Little Caesars, you're a piece of shit. Go
Yeah,
die in the hall.
What the freak?
Slideshow, bro.
I mean, I would agree with that too.
Daniel.
Ah.
Go to Edwin's slideshow.
All right. Here's
Why ham is yummy.
What the fuck is that?
Daniel, just click on the thing really fast. I don't want it to spoil it. Click on it. Click on it. Go. Click.
okay.
Alright.
Personal doggy.
Make a gift that comes. What is this watermark next to bro?
Oh fuck. Oh,
Okay.
I haven't seen
okay.
the
Why
hands.
ham is so yummy? All right. Slide
You
number
didn't even
2.
rate it.
Comes
Comes
from
from
pig.
I mean, women are so. You're not wrong. You're not wrong, man.
You're not wrong. Slideshow number 3.
I was blank for a second. What the fuck?
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
yeah. You can stick your cock inside that bitch. You're not wrong, bro.
Okay. 3.
Holy shit!
We can't show that. We can't show that.
All right,
Who
this is
is
what.
this?
That's all, folks. That's all,
Who
folks.
is
That's all, folks.
this?
That is all, folks.
Bro, that should be for sausage instead.
And that is why ham is yummy.
All right,
That's
S
your
tier
boys.
then. All right.
S tier. Round of
All right,
applause for
all
S
right,
tier.
all right.
All right.
Jalapenos.
Jalapenos.
Never had it. Well, actually,
Oh, no.
I have, but
It's too
I
spicy.
shut up.
F, F.
Are we doing
That's why I said Daniel. I'm sorry. You're stream biased.
jalapenos? What are we doing? What tier?
I'm never really a big fan of it, so.
I'll put it at D. All right.
Meatballs.
My balls.
What the frick?
S tier.
Meatballs.
It was meatballs?
Hey,
God damn it.
no.
You know what I had to search up for
Ryan,
that
what
black
did you
beard
do,
photo?
Zon?
Not that black beard
Hi.
photo, the white beard photo.
No, I don't,
Don't even-
know.
Ryan, what was yours on?
Pepperoni.
Okay, meatballs. What are we saying about balls?
I say C tier.
I mean, it's alright, but yeah, I could put a C.
See? All right, all right.
Mushroom goes in F.
Yep, I agree.
Like
I would rather
mushroom is
put
over
them
the
in
age
my
of
mouth
60.
than pizza.
For real.
Huh?
Okay. We're going with F for mushrooms. Disrespect for mushrooms, but okay.
I probably
Screw
have to
mushrooms.
Bro,
delete
they're pretty
I had to
overrated.
delete the white beard rule 34 in my history, but
Yeah, I'm gonna have to delete
Olives.
mine.
Olives, boys.
Not a big fan. F.
yeah, I'm not a big fan.
D tier.
D.
Because that's when I
No,
started
F.
laughing when I thought of the not the black beard, the white beard photo. I was saying black beard.
Okay.
Oh, I should have added
Onions.
them. I should added
Who
them.
the fuck puts onions on pizza?
Gotta
For
be like,
real.
That's straight F tier.
They're
gotta be like
mid
60.
anyways. So.
all
here comes Ryan.
right.
Pepperoni
This
is
is Ryan's
debatable.
presentation now.
Oh God.
Alright.
I'm
Alright.
scared of that sausage one. This guy see it over there.
Oh God.
Alright.
All right.
Why is Toby here?
All right. Peppa Pig. Why is pepperoni
Toby
good?
Maguire.
Featuring Toby Maguire. All right. Number one.
Come on.
Pep is good, especially Toby's.
I agree. Yeah. You can
Okay,
see his,
okay.
You can see his cock coming out. You know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I started stroking it so fast.
All right.
What the
Yeah.
fuck?
What?
Just, that's it.
Hey, no way.
No, I'm concerned about that Peppa picture.
Why are you looking at it?
Yep, that's it, boys. Okay.
I
Okay.
could've got it.
I'm
Yeah,
getting
that's it.
I'm to the S tier now.
No argument here. Pepperoni S.
No, it's F.
Fuck off.
Sweet pepperoni.
Yeah,
on
it's actually the
pizza.
worst
I'm
topping
done,
ever.
bro.
All right, number two, pineapple.
Yeah.
Gross.
All right. All right.
Oh no, I see the sausage one.
All right. All right.
Is that the
All right.
I will show the first thing,
All right.
the first slide, but for the viewers, it says why pineapple and pizza don't go together. Okay. Okay.
Fuck you. All right. All right.
Okay. Number one, clear. It doesn't fit. Pineapple just doesn't belong on pizza. Now that can
Yeah.
be argued.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
It doesn't belong, Daniel. There's no
Yeah, it
argument.
doesn't- There's no argument.
What the fuck?
All right. Pineapple is my least favorite fruit.
That's
Fruit nasty doesn't taste good on pizza then.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
All right.
It
All
makes
right.
me very angry. Very angry.
Okay. Valid.
No
Valid.
pineapple. No pineapple.
I love Fortnite. Pineapple is not in Fortnite, so it doesn't fit in pizza. Okay.
Yeah,
it
you
is.
know what?
It's
It
actually in
doesn't-
Fortnite.
No,
It's in
not.
Fortnite, actually,
No, it's
sir.
not. No.
Yeah,
no,
you're
no,
fucking
no,
facts,
no,
Ray. I got
no,
Fortnite guys
no,
here.
You seen the new update?
He's not a true
Seen the new
Fortnite
update?
hero. Wow.
Fortnite gay porn.
I'm hungry. I want to enjoy my pizza, and pineapple isn't good on pizza.
Yeah.
I freaking tortured it.
Yeah.
Fortnite gay porn.
That's a very hungry caterpillar.
Hungry.
Oh,
Among
no.
Us is cool, and
I agree.
I love playing it.
Fortnite.
It
Fortnite.
doesn't have pizza, so not good on pizza.
Pizza? Yeah.
Hey yo.
Wow.
So
Whoa.
juicy, bro.
Thursday
So
afternoon.
juicy.
So you said this to Daniel?
That's quite.
No, I'm almost done. I'm still on
That the end.
Yeah.
I gotta put it in C tier. I'm sorry, boys.
Fuck you.
Pineapple going S.
Going D tier.
Yo,
What
that's
C tier
nice.
for middle ground.
No.
Middle ground. C tier.
No, Batman.
Yes.
No,
Plain-
no,
Plain
Batman.
pizza. It's just cheese.
All right. After plain
Yeah.
pizza and sausage. All right. Plain pizza. What are your guys' thoughts?
A.
I mean,
Yeah,
it's just
for real.
pizza. I'll probably just put an A, to be honest.
You
Hey,
can't go wrong with
alright.
plain pizza.
Hey. Okay. Pretty valid. Pretty valid right
Wait,
here.
plain is better than bacon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or, okay, whatever.
You got an argument to dispute here?
Yeah?
You got a presentation?
All right. Dispute your argument without a presentation.
Oh,
We're
never
here.
mind. I'm not doing it. Just leave it there.
All right.
All right then.
All right, sausage.
Sausage time.
Sausage.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right.
I love
So,
Daniel
sausage presented by T-Mobile.
T-Mobile.
All right.
Gotta be copyright.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that's
That.
you fucking
Bro.
showed Whitebeard's dog.
Go on, bro. Keep going.
That's like HD right there.
Oh, no, go back. Go back.
Go back. Wait, hold on. I need to go back. Please.
Go back.
I need to go back, please.
Go
No,
back.
no, we'll look at it later, boys.
Can you go back, please? I need
It's
to.
very yummy. It goes with everything. Plus, who
Dude,
doesn't
it's
love
part of the
deep
sausage
fatty-
presentation, Daniel.
Who doesn't love sausage, boys?
Can you please go back?
Yeah, can you please go back? I kind of forgot what it
It's
looked
for a
like.
friend.
Who doesn't love deep thratting?
Can you go back for the class, please? Like,
Yeah,
can you go a little
I-
slower?
No,
didn't- I
no,
wasn't
if you
paying
didn't take your
attention.
notes, you didn't take your notes, too bad.
Bro,
Anyways,
can you please go back?
Yeah, can you?
okay.
Yeah.
It's just black. Oh shit. Oh,
Shit.
All right.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
he's got a good argument here. Nice argument, bro. Like to keep
God.
going.
It keeps going.
And that's it, boys. Nice.
no, you kind
Whoa.
of forgot a slide. There, no,
Right.
the
Oh,
first.
no,
No,
wait, go back, go back, go back,
Go
go
back,
back,
go back,
go
bro,
back,
go
go back.
back.
Go back, go back, go back.
Thanos
No.
dick, Thanos dick. That's the image name.
How
can we
can we
help
help you? How can we help you? I can't show this on stream. Help.
All right. What does that deserve, boys? Enough tier? All right,
S.
sounds good.
S. No, fuck you. S.
All right,
Guys.
spinach.
Never
Who
had.
the fuck puts vegetables on their
S
fucking...
tier spinach is superior to
You really
everything
just
else on
added
this
Daniel.
list.
spinach on pizza?
it's like SS. No.
Yeah, spinach is pretty good, bro.
Spinach is god tier, bro.
Daniel.
Yeah, like.
Pizza already has vegetables. What do you mean? Who puts
That's what I was
vegetables
saying.
on pizza?
Well, Daniel, when he sees green.
Ugh, it's scary. We'll put it at A.
Alright, bet.
Why are you putting spinach at A?
Wait, spinach is better than bacon? Nah,
Hell
nah,
yeah.
nah,
Wait,
bro. I can't let
Victor
that
made
slide.
a steak one.
And I will defend that.
I can't let that
Wait,
slide,
what?
bro.
Victor made a steak one.
He
A
did.
steak presentation?
Oh no.
Yes.
Oh god. Oh no.
Why steak belongs on pizza?
All right. All right. Cheese comes from the cow.
Wait, Vic, you should have put the
I
picture
had,
up.
I had the PBRB.
Oh, I can't look at that.
And that's
That's
it, boys.
Gia's head on it.
Oh my god.
That's it. That's it.
Oh yeah, I
Alright.
always think of the one with Gio's head on it.
Where shall steak go now, boys?
I'd say B.
Yeah.
B. B. Okay. Last and final one. Jesus, is your
Right.
presentation ready?
Yeah, I sent it to you.
Oh
no.
That doesn't sound good.
Oh, I click in presentation mode right away.
Oh
Quick, you gotta
Okay. Why is so belong on pizza?
Oh my god.
no! This is the picture.
It's her finger.
Oh my god. Yo. Wait, but Daniel, you're missing one slide, bro.
Which one?
But Daniel, seriously, dog, you're missing one.
Whose?
Just check, bro.
We got one more.
Fuck
And
it.
this is why pizza sucks.
All right.
Damn, pizza hater.
All right.
Pizza haters out there. Fuck you guys.
Yeah, honestly. All right. All right. Free movies. All right.
Papa G, click here to watch Pornhub.com.
Is this Daniel?
All right. Good argument.
You wanna do another one?
I don't think we could do another one, boys.
Sodas. Sodas.
Should
Sodas.
we do one of like characters or like
Sodas.
something or like?
Sodas. Sodas.
Count what you have now, don't count what you don't.